Hi, this is Andrew Gong with Avitech. I'm here at InfoComm 2026 to show you the Pacific MS-1 Plus right here. So this is our 1RU 12 input, 12 output, 3 input cards, 3 output cards. And what we're able to do with that here at InfoComm 2026 is create 3 user stations. So up here we have our leftmost user station with a quad multi-view and then just one workstation. Here I have my second workstation with 2 full screen sources, and then here I have my main workstation that's controlling the wall, and then also a full screen source. So from this full screen source, I can switch to any source. Let's say I want to switch to PC 1, 2. I can just switch that over. I can switch back to PC 1, 1, like so. And I can move my mouse up, and when I move my mouse up, now I'm on that video wall. And so I can move any of these kind of windows around. It's just multi-view. I can resize them like so. And then I can actually click in and control these computers as well. So I've got this computer over here. I can go ahead, press the start, bring that up. I can move my mouse over. I notice that this video is paused, so I'm going to go ahead and play it. I can move my mouse down, and I'm actually controlling that source down there. This is our kind of simple NOC concept, so the ability to very easily set up multiple workstations, a video wall to view all the different sources, and have multiple users control the same sources. Again, this is Andrew Gong with Avitech. I'm here at InfoComm 2026. Please go to our website, avitechvideo.com, for more information. Thanks for watching.